Got some new sway bar links at the auto parts store. Got the car on jack stands, getting ready to take off the wheels and make it happen. The sway bar link's just gonna be a 17 or 19 millimeter nut and a 6 millimeter Allen wrench. First thing you're gonna wanna do is just loosen it up. Once the nut's loose, you can take your Allen wrench and hold the threads in place while you take your other wrench and twist it free. And once you loosen it up all the way, it'll spin right on off. And this one's definitely seen better days. For reference, it's supposed to be completely stiff and not move at all. Your sway bar link should not be doing this. Now it's time to remove the rear nut. This is what it looks like from behind the sway bar. I'm gonna hammer it down till it's loose. Come back here with the Allen wrench and loosen it up. And this side was eaten up just as bad. So we're gonna go ahead and switch that out with the new one. It torques down to 55 foot-pounds and just repeat the process on both sides. And here's the passenger side, completely destroyed. So we'll go ahead and get that switched out as well. 292,000 miles and smooth swaying. And that's how you do it yourself. Stabilize your steering and prosper.